Good morning. I'm Dr. W. Marvin Mackey, and this is one of my animal birth control clinics. And this morning I'm going to be talking about how to set up a successful spay and neuter clinic. At our animal birth control clinic, just as the name implies, we do spay and neuter, and we try to do them in a volume that's going to be meaningful to the community. And our objective is minimally 30 animals a day, and some days we'll get up as high as 50 plus. And so this is an ongoing day in and day out, 5 days a week at these operations. This little booth here is set up so we actually can set the people and their pets on the inside, and we can address them from the outside, take a look, talk to them about their pet, do their little physical exams. And with this particular setup, they've got 4 of these little booths that go along here, and we can have people in each one of the booths, and the technicians or myself can address each one of them individually, and sometimes stand back and talk to more than one at the same time if they're here for approximately the same type of situation, like fleet control, interest, and their vaccinations to the shot clinic. Well, the clients now then are starting to come in. At 7 o'clock in the morning, the door is open and they'll come in. We come over to the reception counter, and we have a take a number to keep people from fighting. The counter space, you'll see, is pretty spacious, and that is quite important. Back behind we have one, usually 2 or 3 technicians, receptionists, combination of receiving the animals coming into the clinic and addressing them in order. So now I have my 9 number. I was first in the line, and I have a kitty cat on the inside of my carrier. Number 1.
What's your last name?
Name is Mackey, and I have a kitty.
Male or female?
It's a female.
Okay. Ginger?
Now, what is important about what you just saw then is you can focus on these tags. There's white tags are dogs. The blue tags are cats. So instantly you can separate out the dog from the cats. These are the appointment tags, and they are the cage tag at the same time. The white tags are dogs, so instantly if somebody has a dog, you know which group to look into for their name. The blue tags are cat tags. Now the blue tabs on the blue tags mean it's a male. The red is as close as I can get to pink for females, and that goes for the dogs as well. It'll have blue or on them. And then further down are color-coded tags. The purple ones are for rabbits, and and other various sundry marks. Okay. These appointment tags, this is how we take the appointment when they're on the phone and making the call and setting up a specific date. They're put in a particular date in a file, and that file is pulled off in the evening before the next surgical day, and they're posted up on, we call it posting the board, and we can instantly see how many animals that we have scheduled. This particular line of animals that we have here is a little less than what we would have for other days, because we do an awful lot of shelter work, and they will come in heavily on Monday because of the animals that have been adopted over the weekend. And on Monday, why we'll bring these in and do them first, and a little later why the shelter's animals will be dropped off onto us, and we can start all over again with that next shift.